Hey everybody, Iceman 50 here. Char's putting on his gloves. He said the doctor is in. Exactly. Poor Ranger, Asian Ranger. So we got a few things to show you here. We got the sway bar and what else did we get? Oh, the shock for the other side. So we're gonna do that today. So let's get into it. Hang on.
So we probably want to do the sway bar first, right?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Let's take the easy win.
Well, we don't really know if that's going to be easy, but we know it's probably going to be a better outcome.
Right?
I
Now take a look at this thing. Look at this thing. She thick.
Dude, yeah. I mean, she's heavy too. Like, I could just use this to work out.
I mean, look how thick this thing is. It's big. So yeah, we just got to go get the sway bar links, and we got the bushings here. So we got the whole kit. This came from Jegs Performance, and then we got the other Monroe shock, just like the other one. So hopefully, when we get under there, we can just take those bolts loose, and it doesn't all disintegrate.
I have high hopes.
We'll see. All right, let's get to working on this thing. All right, Jeep guys at it again. Yeah. All right. First thing we're gonna do here is spray these nuts for the old sway bar links. Hopefully these just come right off. I don't really feel like messing around with these today. Where's the other one? Here it is. Okay. All right. Now we gotta find the right size. We'll let those. Oh, geez. We'll let those sit a second. Be right back. All right. So this sway bar link. Where is it? Right here. Right here. See that? So I can't, it's not coming loose from the bottom. It's just solid rusted. So we're going to have to, I'm just going to take the whiz wheel and cut it off down here. We'll see how that goes. Hang on. Yep. Hopefully these batteries are all right. I guess not. I need a better battery. She breaking. Hey! All right. That's one ugly motherfucker. Woo! Smoke it. Damn! All right. So that's done.
That's one.
I just cut a, you can see it, I don't want to touch that thing. I cut a notch in the top, and I just stuck my screwdriver there, and I busted it. You can see the little ring of what was left came off, because this bolt has a, it's the shank, and then the threads underneath, so this thing comes right up to that shank. So I cut it off kind of above the shank because I couldn't really get to it. And then I kind of came back, gave it another haircut, and then I came right down in the middle.
Okay.
So
not the preferred way, but it gets done.
At this point, I don't care. All right, everybody. Now that I got the driver's side end link off, now we got to go over to the passenger side. So he's just putting the tire back on, and then we'll just move the jack over to the other side, and we'll get that one out. And then we can put the sway bar link in, and then we can put the sway bar, then we can put the links on. All right, hang on.
Yeah.
All right, so here's what it should look like. You've got the bolt, a cup. This one goes on the top of this, above the sway bar. This one goes just on the other side of the sway bar. You know, this is where all your cushioning comes from. Then you got the bottom cup, then you got the tube, and another cup, and then two more. So this from here down. So this is your sway bar goes in between here, and then your A-arm goes in between here. So you just will assemble this. It looks like there'll be enough room inside of there to slide it from the top. That's what these directions say, you know. So we'll get that done. It's all gushy. That stuff's melting in there, that polyurethane.
Oh, well, that's nice.
Ta-da. All right.
Nice.
Now we can get the sway bar in there, and we shouldn't have a problem. Let's get to that next.
All right.
All right, so what we're gonna do is, it says to put some the lube inside of the bushings here. Okay. And then it's like somewhere over here-ish. Somewhere over there. And then oh, there we go. All right, there's one. Ooh. When you hear the crunch, you know you're there. Something like that, right? Let me just get her in there. All right, and you got the bolts, right?
Yep, they're right by over there.
Oh, I see them. All right, so we're gonna put the screws up in here, and it says to torque them down to 19 foot-pounds. So I got my torque wrench set. This bar is pretty heavy. I'm just gonna crawl under here and get these bolts in, and we'll go from there. This is gonna be fun. Can you?
Yeah, I'm coming on.
All right.
That side.
Well, did you get it started?
I feel like I am, but it's not like threading.
Okay. Why don't we switch places? Go ahead and hop out of there. I got it. All right. Let's see if we can get this other guy in here. Should be able to. I'm hoping. Ah, yeah. All right. All right, see? She's sway barring. Oh, no. Lost the camera. Oh, we're already there. Couple ugga-duggas. Get her done. You good?
Yeah. All right. See what I'm talking about? That was a huge chunk of rust.
Yep. And we'll verify with the torque wrench, which it instantly clicked. That's why I said a couple ugga-duggas, we're good to go. Let's see. Yep. Yep. This torque wrench I got here, we got it out of the trash over here. Somebody threw away a torque wrench. Who would do that? Okay. All right. So we're gonna slide this through here and get on our. Nope. Like this. Come on. There we go. Put this cup on. Like that. And then we need this barrel piece. Okay. Like that. And then that piece. And that piece. And then this piece goes underneath. And this piece. All right, everybody. It's in there, like swimwear. I just got to put on the rest of this side and tighten it up, and then we're going to move on to that rear shock. That's going to be a whole lot of fun. I'll come back when we're all done. All right, everybody. I think I want to, you see that little bit of a gap? I want to get the tires back on it and let the jack off of it, and they'll probably line the links up a little bit more. So we'll do that, and then we'll tighten them up. Is it just me? Or is the truck not leaning that bad anymore? With it down on the ground, it looks a lot better. I took my, what's up, dude? I took a rough measurement. This side was really sagging down here. It was probably sitting like here. It was like 2.5 inches down. Now we kind of look like we're sitting about the same height. So that's kind of cool. He's getting the lugs tight. Then we're going to move to the shock. All right, everybody. It's a little dark under here. Man, this shock is crusty. Look at that thing. I'm hoping that... Okay. The rust got me. Oh, man, this thing's fucking crusty. Oh, God. A 19 don't seem to be it.
You need to go smaller or bigger?
Hang on. Well, if anything, it's going to be bigger. Let's see. Oh, never mind. Give me an 18.
An 18?
That was. It wasn't going on because of the rust. Let's see. Oh yeah, let me try an 18. Oh Jesus. Let me try a 17.
A 17?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's try that. That's better. Man, this. We need to do the same treatment over here. Look how fucking rusty this is. Jesus. Oh my God. I don't even want to look at this. All right. Oh,
I saw it move.
Yeah. It's that old man strength. Let's hope that this is moving and the rest isn't. I just didn't want to stick the Hercules on here and rape it.
Yeah, not yet at least.
Not yet, at least. Exactly.
Oh yeah, your flashlight just died on me. Let me grab my phone's flashlight then.
Oh, dang. Who turned on the sun? This goddamn I knew this side was going to be worse. The fucking exhaust is right here.
It's not hot, is it?
No,
Okay.
It's just in the way. Let's make sure that that's... Oh, yeah. It's for the guy at Advance Auto. We got this one right away. It's a 17.
Lower, there you go. Whoop.
Hey. All right. She's off. Ah, the nut looks fine. The bolt looks okay.
Yeah, the bolt actually does look really good.
It looks fine.
Like, I mean, obviously where the bolt covered it,
Yeah.
looks good.
All right. Now you're gonna have to move your camera here, and we're gonna get to this one over here. 17. Yeah. Ah!
You all right?
Ah! Rust went right in my ear hole. A big old chunk of it too. No, it's an 18. Yep. Oh. There is something in there still. There is something in my ear. There is a chunk of rust in my ear ball. Okay.
All right, you know, I got rust in my eye, you got rust in your ear.
What?
I said, you know, I got rust in... Oh.
Oh, of course. Who put the jack right here? Nope.
Not doing anything?
No, not yet.
Oh.
But what we're going to need to do is that pipe
Oh.
and a wrench.
Do you want me to put some, like, hold the other wrench on the other side?
No, I gotta. Okay. I just gotta get it to at least start to spin first.
There you go.
It moved, right?
Yeah, I think so. It looked like it moved. Oh, yep, you're moving the wrench now.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Good. Wow, nothing yet, huh? Okay. You son of a bitch. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go, bud. Okay. Now, let's put some stank on it.
Do you want more WD-40 on that?
No, but let me see if I can. Oh, fuck. I mean, yeah, if you got some. You gotta get it from the other side. I need it on the nut side. Don't forget, everybody spray your nuts. Get it from above, too. Kind of. There you go.
My bad, Chief. She's a sprayer.
All right.
Okay.
I guess I'm going to have to give a little bit more to business.
Oh, you're not all the way on it.
I see that. There we go.
Dang, am I Logan just doing it one-handed?
Hell yeah, buddy. All right.
That's gotta be good by now, right?
That's good. You feel good. Oh, I did a plank. I won't ever do that again. All the beans. Come on. Nice. Go get her, bud. All right. Ah, yeah, that's out of there like swimwear or underwear. Oh, she blown. Yeah. Yeah, she done. That shock is fucked. All right, get a, need like a screwdriver or something. Hey, it's another boy. Oh, fuck. Let's take a look at this shock. Oh, I don't know, man. I think you could have got a few more miles out of it.
Oh, yeah.
I mean,
I could have gone all winter with that.
oh yeah, there's nothing wrong with this guy.
No, not at all.
All right, let's get the new one. Woo! Oh, and it's just starting to rain. I see it. Let's wrap this up. All right, guys, we're gonna get this on, and that's gonna wrap it up for today. I don't think you need to see me put any bolts on, so we'll see you on the next one. All right, easy. Since my phone died before, we just finished up the shock, and let me tell you how it feels.
Feels a lot better. We went over some speed bumps.
Yeah.
And I was telling them, like you can tell ever since we did the left side, like it seems definitely more stiff compared to the right, and now I feel like it kind of balanced out.
Yeah. And when you got in the truck, you said, oh, that didn't even sag once we put that sway bar in.
Oh, yeah. The sway bar definitely made a difference. And you can tell.
It made a huge difference. I'll have to have him pull over here. We'll jump out, and you can see the difference from the back.
Yeah.
Because I'm sure you've seen it before. This is driving better now?
Yeah, it's definitely driving a lot better.
The truck is definitely more bouncy now when you go down the street.
Yeah.
Like, because it has shocks now.
Right, I don't feel like, before it's been a couple of times, like, I'm like, blah, blah, blah. Like, I was like really bouncing in the cab.
right, everybody, we'll snap some pictures when we pull back in and you can take a look. We'll see you guys. Easy.